Hey guys, it's your girl V. I'm coming to you with another room tour of the Westgate Vacation Villas in Orlando, Florida. The last tour I did was the exact same place, Westgate Vacation Villas in Orlando, but it was a one bedroom on the town center side, and it had a stand-up shower. This is a two-bedroom villa, and this is one on there's the town center side, and then there's the vacation villas side. Let me put some light on in here. And so the villa side is older because the villa side was here first. If you had a chance to see that last review or the review on one of my other channels, which was a really old review from when me and my husband came by ourselves, it was a two-bedroom, but it didn't have the furniture you see in here now. And it was the villas, which was, like I said, the first side of Westgate Vacation Villas. That's why they call it Westgate Vacation Villas. But then they built the town center side, which is the buildings. And what they did is they put this furniture in the town center side. So now they're starting to renovate the villa side, minus the kitchen. I noticed that they did not update the kitchen in this one just yet. But you do get a full kitchen. You still get your full kitchen, or you can get a limited kitchen. Nice size refrigerator. It's nice and clean in there. Toaster, blender. It comes stocked just the same, so you can still do your cooking and everything like that, which does come in handy during vacation time. I almost didn't open that. See, fully stocked with bowls and plates and small sauces. So yes, glasses, definitely fully stocked. So the kitchen isn't renovated on this side. And if you look at the last video, the kitchen was renovated on the town center side. So they are starting, like I said, to update the villa side, because you can see that they changed the chairs and so on in this one. The villas used to have like a wraparound brown leather couch or a wraparound green sofa that kind of reminded you of the 90s, or, you know, basically if you watch the Martin Lawrence episodes, you'll know what I'm talking about. But this is a little different. So it looks like they are trying to fix this side up. And just like the town center side, you get the pineapple here over the window. Let's open up this patio. You get a nice full-size patio. And I'm going to try to find the light here. It's not very bright. I apologize. You get a nice size patio. And this door that's right here leads out from the bedroom onto the patio. And we have a view of the lake, which I will maybe do a daytime tour so you can see the rest of the resort. We have been coming here. This is going to be, as far as Westgate Vacation Villas is concerned, this will be my husband and I's third time here. And we've stayed at Westgate Lakes. And we stay here through our timeshare getaways. So you see, you get ample space. Like, it's really a nice deal. And when we do our exchanges, depending on what time of the year it is, we've gotten a week's stay at Vacation Villas. When my husband and I went back in April of, I think it was like 2015, we got the whole week for maybe $220. So that's the positive side of it. This is the big bedroom. And so the jacuzzi tub has not been renovated yet, but I can tell that they did upgrade the mirror. You get the full-size closet. There's a separate bathroom, and I think my husband's in there where your toilet is. Let's see. Shower. I'm trying not to show you guys because I literally just got here. I'm trying to avoid you seeing me in the mirror. I just got here and I got a full-on bonnet and everything. You probably see me anyway. But yes, so it's pretty spacious, but I can see even right there one of the cabinets. These cabinets have not been updated, but on the town center side, of course, because it's newer, on the town center side, it's been upgraded. So you get a nice amount of space here to put your things away. Nice flat screen TV. Ceiling fans in the bedroom and the living room. Nice flat screen here. And a DVD player. And I believe there is a, if I'm not mistaken, I don't see it, but some of them do come with a DVD, not DVD player, but a music player, like a Bluetooth. So right here you have a wet bar. Now I don't remember having a wet bar on the town center side, but we only had the one bedroom on the town center side. We did have a wet bar in the village side though, when we were here before. So you do get that on the villa side in the 2-bedroom. So this is the 2nd bedroom I was showing you earlier. 2 full-size beds. Here's another bathroom with the closet space, more closet space, more blankets, mirror. Yep. Separate bathroom. So yep. Oh, and then I didn't show. Okay, so you do get a coat closet right here too. And it's stocked. Your iron, your ironing board, broom, dustpan, mop.
A personal concierge, because that's what I seem like I am right now.
My husband said he's a personal concierge. And you get that because he's bringing the luggage in. Full-size washer and dryer, in case I forgot. In the kitchen. Now, you know that's a convenience when you go on vacation. We all know that's a convenience. It really is terrible when you have to pay to do the laundry. So you have your dishwasher, everything. It's not bad. And it really isn't bad. And I think this time the price was only a few dollars more. But the reason why we frequent Vacation Villas or any of the Westgate properties is because we like the amount of amenities that they have on the grounds. Westgate, Vacation Villas has 14 pools, a sports bar, Krispy Kreme, a store you can buy groceries and things at. They will deliver food to you poolside. There's daily activities. And I do mean daily. They will leave you a message on your voicemail in the room with everything that's happening by each pool or, you know, any of the activities whatsoever. So that's a good thing, especially for the kiddos. I don't care if it's an ice cream social, whatever it is. I would have liked for the kitchen to have been upgraded in this one, but I'm actually impressed that they did change the furniture. At least they brought it up from the 90s decor. So you guys, that was my quick review being back at Westgate Vacation Villas in Orlando, Florida. And you guys, if you're interested in a timeshare with them, you should definitely give it a shot. We have definitely enjoyed taking advantage. We have definitely enjoyed taking advantage of the getaways that come through Interval International and things like that. I know you hear a lot of timeshare nightmares. And I think it's all about finding the right one. And I also think it's about being realistic about your budget when you sit down in those meetings that can sometimes be high pressured. When we originally got ours, it was not a high pressure situation, and we went in with the mindset that we were interested anyway. So if you're not interested, then you be very upfront with these people and you let them know that you're not interested, because you can find great deals for so much as like $100 for a couple of free, well, it's not really free if you pay $100, but $99, and you might stay somewhere for a good 3 to 4 days. And they'll offer you all kinds of passes and gift certificates and everything else for you to attend these meetings. And it's not bad as long as you have the mindset that, hey, either I'm not interested or I'm interested. And if I am interested, be realistic about my budget and read. I cannot stress that enough. Read your contracts. Read what's going on. Read everything that has to do down to the nickel. So we just got here, so this is what I did tonight. Tomorrow, I will give you guys a brief tour of the grounds when it's a little lighter outside. And right now, we're about to get unpacked and maybe get some food in our system and everything like that. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, if I skipped anything, I wish you could see my old review of the 2-bedroom older villa, but it was on a whole nother channel. It was back in 2015, but I did do a review, like I said, on this channel for the 1-bedroom villa. And a lot of them also have connections too. This one does not, because it's on the villa side. And like I said, the villa side are more like mini townhomes almost. But the town center side does have lock-offs where these things will turn into 4-bedroom villas, put it like that. So there is a way to do it with the villa side too, as well as town center. But you do have lock-offs. They'll go as far as up to 4 bedrooms. But you guys, I will talk to you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. I know you guys a lot of you are used to seeing me do the food reviews or mukbangs, but this is also my other thing. If you had known about my other channel before in the past, or which you don't, because it's non-existent now. But if you see that I do have a couple of other reviews of hotels in there, and that's my thing. That's like kind of like one of my loves besides the mukbangs. But I see you guys later. Say bye. I will check you out tomorrow, or I will actually just video tomorrow. I'm all over the place. I'm talking all over the place, you guys. I just finished getting out of the car for like 15 hours. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.